Hi guys, thanks for joining our video today. I have the boys with me. We're gonna make some cookies for Santa. Are you excited to make some cookies for Santa?
And Mommy, I want Santa and the elf to be so much fun.
Yeah, Santa and the elves. They're so much fun. So we're gonna make some yummy cookies for Santa.
And the elf.
And the elves, so can't forget the elves. What about the reindeer?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to make some cookies for them too. So we're gonna make these super easy cookies for Santa. The boys love helping and they're really fun. We're just using some regular sugar cookie mix and then they're gonna be blossoms. We're gonna roll them in green sprinkles and red sprinkles. And then we're gonna top them off with the Hershey Kiss. We got the candy cane Hershey Kisses. They're so good. So we're gonna get these made up for Santa. Thanks for watching as the boys and I make a huge mess in the kitchen. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe and put a like on this video if you like it. Leave us a comment. We hope that you guys have a really wonderful holiday season. As you know, I'm doing a video every single day of the month of December to celebrate. So the boys wanted to join in on this one. So we'll get these cookies all made up for Santa and the elves and the reindeer.
And some kisses.
Some kisses.
And cookies. And sprinkles on the kisses. Yeah, and sprinkles on the kisses and on the cookies.
Okay. All right, we have our butter and we're going to add in our mix.
Can I pour in the mix?
You sure can.
I'm going to count to 5 when I pour in the mix.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pour it in.
Count to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Next turn.
Oh, you're going to share who pours it in. That's a wonderful idea.
I'm going to count to 4. 1.
Okay, you got to pour it in, buddy.
2, 3. Enough. 4.
All right, Zachary's got the mix in the bag, all of it. All right, Benjamin's gonna crack the egg. Oh, good job with your egg cracking, bud.
How did I just know that when I just did it?
You were so good at that. Okay, all right, we're gonna mix our dough.
1.
Okay. All right, your turn.
Let go. Now my turn. No, count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, Mom, you have to count it slowly.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Zachary's turn.
Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Okay.
11.
So the cookies have cooled from the oven for a few minutes. So we're going to unwrap some of these Hershey Kisses. The boys are having a little snack before. We're gonna open them up and I just love these ones. They're so cute with the striped candy cane. So we're just gonna stick it right on.
Give me one.
I wanna unwrap one, this one. Loud.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Thank you for our video. Subscribe for our channel. Hope you have a great day. Santa did love these. Santa's gonna love these.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching our cookies that we made for Santa. These are so good. The boys are gonna test one out because one kind of broke. But anyways, we hope that you have a really wonderful Christmas, and we had so much fun baking these cookies together. It's just awesome to bake with the kids during the holidays. Yeah, you can have a bite. You want to have a bite of one? Oh, are you picking that one? That's a special one. All right, we hope that you guys have a great day. Subscribe to our channel if you're new. Put a like on this video, and have a really great day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye.